How to take screenshots on Mac. To take a screenshot, press and hold the Shift, Command, and 3 keys at the same time. OK, screenshot works. If you see a thumbnail in the corner of the screen, click to edit the screenshot. Or wait for the screenshot to be saved on the desktop. How to take a partial screenshot. Press and hold the Shift, Command, and 4 keys at the same time. Drag the crosshair to select the area of the screen to take a snapshot of. Press and hold the left mouse click while dragging the crosshair. After that, release the mouse button. By default, screenshots will be saved on the desktop. You can also drag screenshots saved where you want.